So we saw the S&Ps bounce off the weekly buy divergence that I was calling at the 38.81 level. We've rallied now about 160 handles off the low. We're setting up, pretty much worked off that oversold condition on the daily charts, and now we're setting up kind of like pretty much of a bearish pattern here on the daily right now. I'm still expecting the next 4 to 5 weeks to have some really turbulent times here in the market. I do believe that 36.39 is going to hold, and that should be a double bottom. There's a good chance we can push right back down there again. However, right now we're looking at today. Today the indexes are up, and we're going to trade what we see. Again, it was a monster call for a buy divergence on the weekly charts that pushed the S&Ps up. So many people were calling for the markets to just get absolutely kabooshed. We saw something completely different, and we traded off of it, and all our people on our live channels did phenomenally well here. Currency markets have been completely outstanding trading-wise. Bitcoin, Ethereum. This morning, someone told me that they made over 5% on their account just trading Bitcoin using my software. So Bitcoin above 21,000 rallied about 3,000 points in the last 3 days.